What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change scope in Battlefield 6. So first of all press the options button and then go to redeploy. So we need to firstly die in our game and then we'll be able to change our scope. So I'll just select redeploy option from here and then we just have to wait a bit until we get the option of deploy. So first of all we need to press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to customize our loadout, and from here choose the class where you wanna change the scope. So I wanna change scope for my sniper rifle which is in recon class. I'll just select that, then go on to your weapon like so. Now again press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation while selecting your weapon from here, and then we'll be able to see this customization option. From the list of these accessories, select scope from here which will be available on the top of your weapon like this, and then select the scope you wanna apply here. So let's say I wanna switch to this scope. I'll just select this scope from here, but you will see bunch of options here. I haven't unlocked the scopes, that's why I can't use them. You need to complete certain objectives in order to use these scopes. So I have equipped this scope here. Now I can just go back into my game. Now go back to your game and deploy to the position you wanna deploy yourself. So I'll just deploy here. Now as you can see, the scope has been changed in my game. So this is the only method I found in Battlefield 6. I don't know why we need to deploy in our game, but this was the only process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.